Good morning and welcome to Monkey Shines Yoga. My name is Mona and I'll be your teacher today, and we'll be learning about Sun Salutations. It's a series of poses that flow from one to the next. If you have any injuries, you will want to consult with your doctor before you practice yoga. Now, if you're joining us today, please find an area on the floor with plenty of room to move. We'll be starting in a pose called the mountain pose. And it's called mountain pose because you stand tall and straight like a mountain. So with feet together and arms by your side, please stand in mountain pose. Very, very tall. Next, you'll circle your arms out to your sides and up overhead, reaching tall as you can. Then, circling the arms out to the sides again, you will bend at the waist, keeping your back very, very flat. Now, bending at the knees as much as you need, bring your arms down, hands on either side of your feet. This is the forward bend. Now, rising slowly and carefully, keeping a flat back, come back up with your arms out to the side. Bringing your arms up overhead, standing tall as you can. Once again, circle the arms out to the side and down, and we're back in mountain pose. Let's try that again. This time we'll add to it. Circle your arms out and up overhead. Stretch tall now. Bringing the arms out to the sides, bend at the waist, keeping your back very flat. Now bend at the knees as much as you need to bring your hands down on either side of your feet. This is how this pose looks from the side, the forward bend. Now plant your palms flat and reach your left foot back into a lunge. Bring your right foot back to meet it into downward dog. Press your hands into the mat or the floor and reach your thighs back as far as you can. Here's how this pose looks from the front. Now shift forward slowly, keeping your legs straight so that your shoulders are right over your hands. Now bending at the elbows, keep your arms tight, tight, tight to your body and lower slowly to the floor. Now shift your hands back a little bit and push up slowly and gently into a low cobra. Lower down again and push up back to downward facing dog. Now carefully bring your left foot up between your hands. Use your hand if you need to help it up there. And now bring your right foot up to meet it into the forward bend. Bringing your arms out to the sides, carefully and slowly raise up with a flat back and come to standing, circling the arms out and up overhead. Wonderful. We'll be bringing the arms out and down into the starting pose, the mountain pose. That was really great. Let's try that one more time. Sweeping the arms out and up overhead and circling them out and bending at the waist, keeping a flat back. Bending at the knees, bringing your hands on either side of your feet into the forward bend. Now, taking your left foot back into a lunge and your right foot back into downward dog. Shifting forward into plank pose. They call it plank because you're stiff as a board. And lowering slowly, bending at the elbows and hugging your body with your arms. You'll come slowly to the floor. Now shift your hands back a little and arch your back up into cobra pose. Be gentle. Coming back down to the floor and lifting up into downward dog. Bring your left foot up between your hands. Use your hands if you need to help it up there. And then bring your right foot to meet it into the forward bend. Sweeping your arms out to the side, slowly rise up, keeping a flat back. And coming to stand with your arms out to the side and up overhead. Sweeping the arms down to the sides again and into mountain pose. Congratulations! You've just completed 2 rounds of Sun Salutations. I hope you'll join me again at Monkey Shines Yoga. I've enjoyed our being together today. Please come back for another round of Sun Salutations. Namaste.